Friends, be sure to watch this video until the very end, especially if you are over 60 and want to remain active, healthy, and full of energy. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Here, we talk openly, honestly, and without unnecessary embarrassment, and you'll discover things that even many doctors rarely mention. After the age of 60, most men and women begin dealing with weaker blood circulation in the pelvic area, and this influences everything: your intimate life, urinary and reproductive health, bowel function, hormonal balance, and even your emotional well-being. Yet almost nobody speaks openly about it, and that's a huge mistake, because there are simple ways to improve circulation, and your morning routine plays a major role in it. So why does circulation become weaker with age? As time passes, blood vessels lose elasticity, the muscles in the pelvic area weaken, congestion may appear, and lymphatic drainage slows down. In addition, the hormones responsible for supporting healthy circulation gradually decline. All of this reduces blood supply to the organs located in the pelvic region. For men, this may affect potency, the prostate, and bladder health. For women, sensitivity can decrease, while inflammation and organ prolapse become more likely. Now here comes the most important question. What should you eat in the morning to help stimulate blood flow in the lower part of the body? The answer is actually very simple: foods that strengthen blood vessels, improve microcirculation, and increase your energy levels. Let's go over the best choices. First, walnuts with honey. Not only is this combination tasty, but it's also extremely beneficial. Walnuts contain large amounts of arginine, an amino acid that helps expand blood vessels, while honey supports cardiovascular health. The recipe is easy. Eat 2 or 3 walnuts with 1 teaspoon of honey on an empty stomach in the morning. Second, warm water with lemon and a small pinch of cayenne pepper. This drink gently stimulates circulation, speeds up metabolism, and activates your vascular system. Simply squeeze half a lemon into warm water, add a pinch of cayenne pepper, and drink it immediately after waking up. Third, eggs with green vegetables and olive oil. Eggs are rich in choline, which nourishes the nervous system and supports healthy blood vessels. Green herbs, especially parsley and basil, help improve circulation as well. Cook your eggs with a small amount of olive oil and add a little sea salt. Fourth, a few pieces of dark chocolate in the morning. You may begin noticing better circulation not only in your head, but throughout your entire body. Fifth, tomatoes or tomato juice. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens blood vessels and supports healthy circulation. Drink 1 glass of tomato juice before breakfast, or add fresh tomatoes to your eggs. Sixth, garlic. It is one of the strongest natural stimulants for circulation. Garlic helps cleanse blood vessels and naturally thins the blood. Crush 1 clove of garlic and swallow it with water around 15 minutes before eating. Yes, the smell can be strong, but the health benefits make it worth it. Now, why is morning the ideal time for all of this? In the morning, your blood vessels respond more actively to stimulation. Your metabolism begins accelerating, and the hormones connected to circulation become more active. This is the moment when you set the tone for the rest of your day. If you get your blood flowing early, you may feel that vitality returning, even in the areas that matter the most. But what else can you do besides improving your diet? Nutrition is important. But if you truly want to increase blood circulation in the pelvic region, you should also include a few simple habits in your morning routine. Start with 5 minutes of squats, even right beside your bed, to activate the pelvic muscles. Take a contrast shower by alternating warm and cold water to help your blood vessels expand and contract, improving circulation. A gentle lower back massage or light tapping on the buttocks can also increase blood flow to the pelvic organs. These habits are especially valuable for men struggling with prostate problems and for women after menopause. The secret is consistency. You probably won't notice dramatic changes after only 1 day. But if you consistently follow these steps for 7 to 10 days, eating the right foods, doing simple exercises, and drinking the right beverages, your body will start responding. You may begin feeling warmth, renewed energy, and even a better mood. Your desire and your abilities can return, and believe me, that is valuable at any age. If you've watched all the way to this point, it means you genuinely care about your health, and that already puts you ahead of many others. Leave a like on this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe. Here we speak honestly, openly, and only about the things that fast.